Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A74 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how we can set ringtones and other tones on our phone Oppo A74. First of all, go to the settings of our phone through notification area. Swipe down and click on settings icon. Now click on sound and vibration. Here select ringtone and select SIM1. If you have inserted both SIM card will be shown here, and select SIM1. Now you can select from files. Click on select from files and select any file to be set as ringtone. These are only MP3 files. If you have inserted SD card, the files from SD card will also be shown here, so you can choose any song for setting up ringtone. Yes, selected song is applied and it is activated. If you choose below that, these are all the system ringtone, system available tone. So default ringtones, you can set any ringtone from the default one. Similarly, set ringtone for SIM2, select SIM2 and you can select from files or select from system ringtones. These are all the system ringtones. Just select any one and go back, it will be activated. I go back and yes, it is activated. System ringtone is activated for SIM2. Now click on notification sound. This is also similar to what I have done for SIM1 and SIM2. Just you can select MP3 files from your phone storage or SD card storage. All will be aggregated here and that will be showing to you. Now here, these are the system tones. Just select any tone for notification sound. You can choose from files or system tones. Then more sounds. Here just you can control some sounds like dial pad tone, lock screen sound. Just you can turn on or turn off. Screenshot sound. This is delete sound, touch sounds, then vibrate on touch. Just you can turn on or turn off these tones. So in this way you can easily set customized ringtone for your phone Oppo A74. That's all friends.